Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to fix tire pressure sensor Honda CRV. Start by confirming actual tire pressures with a reliable gauge and inflate to factory specs. Inspect each valve stem for damage or corrosion and rotate the wheel to check for slow leaks. If sensors are damaged or battery depleted, plan for replacement and reprogramming. I'll guide you through simple checks and when to seek professional help. Begin with a cold tire pressure check and set all tires to the manufacturer PSI. Walk around the vehicle listening for hisses and use soapy water on valve stems to reveal small leaks. If pressures hold, use a TPMS reader to verify each sensor transmits its ID. Record any sensor faults and remove the wheel to examine the sensor physically if you suspect damage or corrosion is present. When sensors are replaced, follow Honda CRV relearn steps to register new ID with the ECU. Some models require a manual relearn using the dash and ignition, while others need a TPMS tool or driving procedure. After relearn, verify each tire registers correctly and the TPMS light clears. If the light persists, double-check sensor ID. Inspect wiring and consider a professional diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.